Hey everybody, welcome to the official Patreon page of Drawbridge Finance. My name's Levi Woods, and here you are going to find something different than you would find on most Patreon pages. I have a very simple 3-tier setup. I have a tip jar. You can just give me $2 a month to say, hey, thanks Levi, you make awesome content on YouTube. We love your videos, and we are making more money because of them. Then I have tier 2. In this tier, you will see my personal trades, all of my dividend stocks, buy and sells, on the day that I make them. So if you choose to, you can follow along and see the kind of things that I'm looking for when I'm making those particular transactions. And then there's tier 3. In tier 3, you're gonna get all my dividend trades on the day that they happen, as well as all of my option trades. Now, if you look at other sites, there are many that charge hundreds of dollars per month for option trading strategies. I have decided, because I am not a greedy person, that I am going to offer a glimpse into my account for $30 a month. This is an amazing value, and if you guys choose to, you can support me for a month or 2 months and just kind of see the trades that I'm making so that you can decide if option trading is something that's right for you, or you can choose to follow along and we can truly get rich together. Thanks so much. See you soon.